So good day and greetings and welcome to Sunday morning, July the 6th, 2025. It's a beautiful Sunday morning coming down. It is currently 9 in the a.m. It's 81 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day. Great day to be alive. Sadly though, it's time to tear down and pack everything away till the next camping adventure. It's been an awesome weekend. Hey, look, it's Mr. Sunshine over my shoulder. Just where he should be. And I get back to reality. Vacation is over. And I wish it was permanent. That's all I'm going to say. This over here, this battery system that I'm borrowing from Speedy, has worked out pretty good. I'm going to look into getting a similar system for myself, probably using a lithium battery, but worked great all weekend. Pretty impressed. So right now I'm going to tear this down. I'd like to go for a quick bike ride before I go, but it is kind of humid. I didn't get to do as much trail walking and stuff like that that I would like to have done this weekend because I was having a good time just hanging out with everybody and having a few frosty barley pops. But these things happen. Still having a good time. It's still an awesome weekend. And we got to roll. Okay, let's see how this works out. So, I have everything put away. I've got the cots put away. I've got my sleeping bag rolled up. Everything is picked up except for my chair, which is over at Speedy's site. It's a little after 10 o'clock in the morning. This is my Gazelle tent. Don't ask me the exact model number because I can't think of it right now. I will put it down in the description below. I will even put a link to this tent if you're interested in it. Nothing comes back to me. I'll just share the information with you if you're interested in purchasing a tent like this. I get nothing from it, but this is honestly probably the best tent that I've tented in since I've been tenting. And it's come to my attention that when I did my camping trip to Delta Lake on Monday, I did a time-lapse video putting the tent up and taking the tent down. This camera right here has a time-lapse that takes 10 minutes worth of content, puts it into 10 seconds. So it looks like it went up, went right back down real fast. When I got here, I did the same thing. I did a time-lapse of putting the tent up. I also believe I did a time-lapse of Speedy backing in his camper, so those will be really fast. But I'm going to tear this tent down right now in real time just to show you how easy it is to put up and take down. And just to warn you ahead of time, there may be a couple of colorful adjectives because I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and colorful adjectives always seem to make things go easier. So here we go. Taking down the Gazelle tent. Like I said, this is an awesome tent, and if you're into tenting, I would highly recommend their product. Here we go. Got to undo the rain fly. You would think I get dizzy doing this because it seems like I walk around in a lot of circles. That's just the way I do things. I guess it's how I am wired. Why, I don't know. I tell you to ask my parents, but they're not here anymore. Okay, there we go. Once you get the first one pulled out, it's relatively easy. Just like when you, oh, this one's sticking too. Must be the humidity. There we go. The rain fly is held on by this little plastic tube here. Goes into another tube. I'll do a more extensive video over this soon. I promise. Okay, so there we go. All 4 posts. It's kind of like a tab A goes into slot B. Here, let me show you that real quick. Ooh, look at the daddy long legs. You're not hanging out. That's where the rain fly plugs into. Oh, we're at 3 minutes and 16 minutes already. Maybe if somebody would shut his trap and get the job done, we wouldn't be here, would we? We'd be done by now. I am terrible at folding things back up. Sometimes I have to do things 2 or 3 times. That's just the way it is. I don't think I have the coordination for folding things up or putting things back together. I am a great demolisher. I am a great take apart person. Like, I can take things apart easily. Putting it back together is another story. And I'm pretty sure there's probably somebody watching this going, "No, stupid, you do it this way." See, like that there, I don't like the way that folded. It's not easy being me some days, you know what? Here comes the garbage truck. The noisy, stinky garbage truck. Okay, that took forever, but there's the rain fly all rolled up. Oh, all stuffed up this morning. Okay, so now, make sure there's nothing in there. To collapse this, there's a little cord in the middle. Pull that down. And then you just walk around side to side. I'll start here. Pushing these here. When you set it up, you pull these out. Turn it down, you just push it in. And it kind of collapses among itself. They get them all right. And then you just kind of flop that over. Flop that over. Flop that over. All right, earmuffs, kids. The bag they give you actually will fit the tent when it's torn down, unlike those cheap department store tents that once you undo them, they don't always go back in the tent. Basically, you just kind of roll this up into itself. Has a strap here that holds it all together. Make sure I'm doing this the right way. Yep. Okay, so I got it all rolled up. Just got to put it in the bag. And again, there's probably somebody there saying, you can do this so much easier, dummy. To each their own, right? Tent's in the bag. There's the rain fly. I have the tent stakes for this in my utility tote. That's where I keep all my spikes. Which may burn me someday, but you never know. Okay, put the two straps around the bag. Hold them tight. Airplane! Boss, the plane. The plane. We are close to Syracuse Airport. Put that like that. Wrap that over like that, and voila. All done. All ready to throw in the back of the truck. Alright, so there I go. All I have left is this old tarp full of holes because I'll drive tent stakes right through the middle of it. I don't care. I like to put a tent down underneath, put a tent down beneath the tarp. I like to put a tarp down below or underneath the tent. Helps keep moisture off the bottom of the floor of the tent, I think. At least it's worked so far. I can't remember exactly where the picnic table was before I got here. But I have vacated the site. I parked my truck over on Speedy's site for this moment because I'm thinking about going for a bike ride. But this is site 88. It's a pretty good site. There's no electric on this part of the loop. There is electric over on the other side of this loop. But getting those sites is like winning the lottery. That there is site 86. I kind of like this site for some reason. I think I would like it. I mean, it's got a hill in the middle of it. But for a tent or a small camper, I think this would work out really good. Got this little area in here. Well, I don't know, tree roots I'm not a fan of, but you know, you got your picnic table and your fire pit. But you can either set up here in the corner, or you can set up on this little flat spot, park your vehicle on the end there. Then you got a little path over here to the woods. This is kind of like why I like camping on this part of the loop, because you can just take a little adventure off out into the woods. Oop, tree root. Watch where you're going, dummy. Maybe I'll walk over and startle Speedy's mom. She'll never see it coming. Walk out from behind her sight. Yeah, this has been a really good weekend. Camping is always a good time. I enjoy it very much. I have another trip booked in August believe it's the, I think it's Cayuga State Park, out on Cayuga Lake. I think that's the plan. That's the third weekend. Yeah, I think it's the third weekend in August, because the weekend before that, I'm going out to New Hampshire to see my friend Jeff, and we're going to watch a show. Going to go catch Tim Berry. You should look up Tim Berry from Richmond, Virginia. Great solo acoustic artist. One of my favorites. He's not your ordinary, average acoustic artist. There's Mr. Sunshine. Okay, I'm going to catch my breath and go take a quick bike ride, I think. Well, it's 10:40 in the AM. It's currently 87 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to be a warm one today. The site is emptied. I already showed that. Got the Nissan Frontier over here. Parked on Speedy's site for a few minutes. It's time to take a little ride. So we got the bells on here. This is mono. This is stereo. And I haven't used them for their purpose yet, just to annoy people. All right, let's go for a little cruise. A lot of people have already left. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day for a ride. Oh, whew, that didn't feel too good. Ooh, that's a trail. I never realized that. Look through the trees, you can see Round Lake. Wonder if those trails are new or if I just never realized they were there. Maybe have to investigate that next time. I would today, but I got stuff to do. Ooh. It's Sunday, so I gotta do the, the laundry, the shopping, and I gotta get my stuff back together because I gotta go back to work. Lame. I wiped out on this spot a few years ago. There's a video of it. Yeah, on my channel somewhere. I was filming one-handed. I think I was on my mountain bike, maybe. Wiped out right there. Classic moment. Yeah, the new suspension on this bike is great. There is none. Fog. I need to start bringing some hot sauce with me if I swallow a bug. And I don't think I'm supposed to be down here. I think this is a service road for the employees. Hi, how you doing? So we're gonna make like a sheep herder and get out of here really flocking fast. I screwed that up, that's okay. Yeah, service road. Do not park or enter. Oops. Oopsie. Yeah, the official name of this trail is the Round Lake Overlook Trail. You can see the lake through the trees. Probably not on video though. Whew. Okay. Back to the short little ride. Whew. A little out of breath. So this section that we're camping in this weekend is the Rolling Hills Campground. Just taking a moment. All right, I'm gonna go up this way. Whew. Well, I gotta pause for a second. Okay, I think I got my breath caught up with me now. Maybe it was not the best day for taking a ride, but the sites on this loop here all have electric. They're all pretty decent sized. We've camped on a couple of them over the years, but you got to get in early to get them booked because they go fast, super fast. These sites over here have a decent amount of shade. These over here, kind of out in the open, they still have some privacy from down below with the trees. Over there up to the right, there's a playground. Kids used to, we used to come here with the kids when they were younger. We would get sites over on that side and just let the kids go roam, and they'd play on that play set over there all day long. That's just another small loop off to the left. Gonna head back towards camp here. Just went by the bathhouse. There's the bathrooms, they got showers in there. Really wasn't too impressed with the shower yesterday, but I had a small stream and it was scorching hot. There's a couple sites down here. This is a dead end. You can walk through those trees there to get to the other side, but better shot of the playground set for the kids. I don't feel like playing chicken today. Oh, another airplane. Let's see, where is it? Oh, it's nice and cool out here. A little rocky, but nice and cool. It's one of the walking trails. You follow this far enough, you can get down to the lake. Or lakes. I don't know how far I'm going to venture out though. It's starting to get a little bit of an incline. Getting a little tired. Yeah, I should have done this morning. It was a little bit cooler. This here is the Rolling Hills Trail. Caution, there are ticks. Stay in trail, pets on leash. Pick up after pets. Use trash cans. Nothing about bicycles. I've seen people ride their bikes on the trails here. I think I'm gonna head back to camp, wrap this up. Should have done this when it was a little bit cooler first thing in the morning. The only problem up here with the morning, I mean, it's not a problem, but to go out and ride trails, you get a lot of people who like to jog on the trails, and they'll take up the whole trail. They'll be in groups of 3, 4, 5, 12, whatever. And then you gotta go down the trail doing this. It's crazy. Oh. Let's go this way. I do believe I can just get back up to the site going this way. Then I don't have to disturb those people packing up again. All right. Speedy is right there. I'm trying to figure out where I'm at right now. How adventurous am I feeling? I'm not riding down that. No. Back when I was young and stupid, oh hell yeah, I'd be riding up, down that and back up. But now, nah, I'm good. I'm gonna walk across this log. Whoa, that's a little bit, that was a little bit out of arm's reach. Almost wiped out. That would have been good for you, but not so good for me. Hey, look at the trail. Looks familiar. These aren't really the sneakers to be walking trails. All right. Back at the Speedy family camp. I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. I'll figure that out in a minute. Whew. Oh yeah, that breeze feels good. Okay, let's see if we can get this right this time. What did one sheep herder say to the other sheep herder? It's time to get the flock out of here. It's 11:15, 11:15. Saying goodbye to the site. Speedy's mom is in her camper. That camper's for sale. Anybody's interested, let me know. I got the info on it. Oh, nice and smooth. It's been a most excellent weekend with the greatest people on this planet that I know. Speedy, Thumper, and Speedy's mom, they're staying until Tuesday. It's supposed to rain Monday and Tuesday. Maybe that'll break the humidity. I think I would have learned riding over that with the bike, you know? Ba-bum. It's a beautiful day outside. A little warm, but still beautiful. Beats snow. I would drive over by the beach and show you that madhouse, but nah. I'm sure it's going to be packed today. It was packed yesterday. There's the dumping stations over there. They got that 2-lane 4-way dump deal. Complete with garbage cans. Oh yeah, they're packing them in. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Till next time, hasta la pasta and adios. Cheers.